Welcome to San Diego Special Delivery, a nonprofit organization located in San Diego, founded specifically to help alleviate hunger and malnutrition to those in need. We call it Love in a Bag, where we serve fresh, wholesome food infused with love and is home delivered to those people living with AIDS, cancer, and other critical illnesses. There are 3 ways to help our organization. You can volunteer to cook the food that nourishes individuals. You may volunteer to drive the food to those in need. Or you may donate with a guarantee that your 91 cents of every dollar will be spent for nutritious meals. Your donations and volunteer hours for special delivery support better health and optimal nourishment for those most in need in our community. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.